When you're thinking about buying SimpleTiger, there are some important things you need to know before jumping in. It's not just another software solution. It brings some unique advantages, but it's essential to understand how it compares to competitors. In this video, we'll cover 7 key things you need to know before buying, so stick around until the end. You'll also get access to a completely free trial through the first link in the description below, so you can explore everything for yourself. Now, let's dive right in. First off, SimpleTiger offers an intuitive user interface that's really easy to navigate, even for beginners. If you've used other software like HubSpot or ActiveCampaign, you know how overwhelming the learning curve can be. With SimpleTiger, the setup is a lot smoother and the tools are all well organized. That means you won't waste time figuring out how to use it and can start working on your marketing campaigns right away. Next thing to consider is the pricing. SimpleTiger is much more affordable compared to other big names in the industry. While platforms like Marketo or Salesforce can cost you hundreds or even thousands of dollars a month, SimpleTiger gives you a great value for your money, especially if you're just starting out. For a small business or a growing entrepreneur, it's an excellent option to get advanced marketing automation without breaking the bank. The third thing you'll want to know is its automation capabilities. This is where SimpleTiger stands out compared to many competitors. It allows you to automate your marketing workflows easily, including email campaigns, social media posts, and more. While other platforms offer automation, they often require complex setups or come with limitations. With SimpleTiger, automation feels streamlined and doesn't require extensive tech knowledge. Moving on, another great feature of SimpleTiger is its robust analytics. Unlike some competitors that only give you surface-level data, SimpleTiger provides in-depth insights that can help you make data-driven decisions. Whether you're tracking the success of email campaigns or social media ads, you get clear reports that highlight what's working and what needs improvement. This is especially helpful when you want to optimize your efforts for better performance. The fifth thing to consider is customer support. SimpleTiger offers responsive support through multiple channels, including live chat and email. Many other tools, especially lower-cost options, often leave you hanging when you need help. With SimpleTiger, you can rely on their dedicated team to solve issues quickly and get back to what matters, growing your business. Next up, let's talk integrations. SimpleTiger integrates smoothly with many popular platforms like Shopify, WordPress, and Google Analytics. If you've used other marketing tools before, you know how important it is to have seamless integrations with your existing tech stack. SimpleTiger makes this process super simple, so you don't have to worry about your tools working against each other. The last thing you need to know is the scalability of SimpleTiger. Whether you're a small business or you're planning to scale quickly, this platform grows with you. While tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit might suit smaller businesses but struggle with bigger demands, SimpleTiger is designed to handle growth. You can add users, upgrade features, and manage larger campaigns with ease as your business expands. So, if you're considering SimpleTiger, these 7 points should give you a clear picture of what to expect. It offers great automation, affordable pricing, smooth integrations, and reliable customer support. Everything you need to elevate your marketing efforts. If you want to try it out for yourself, don't forget to click the first link in the description below to grab the best free trial and exclusive benefits. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.